Good morning students. Today we are going to continue our chapter Trees, our best friends. Okay. So in this chapter we have studied that on one Sunday afternoon Pooja's friends they came to her house, but because of sudden rain they can't go out to play. So they become upset. But Pooja's grandfather told them that there is no need to feel upset and he will tell them some interesting things. Then he started saying that if they know that trees are one of the best things that Mother Earth has given us, they are our best friends. And he asked Pooja and her friends about the use of tree, and he asked them to tell at least one use of trees. At this, Pooja and her friends they came up with one use of trees. Okay. So this is the grandpa of Pooja, and you can see friends, her friends, Pooja and her friends. Pooja's grandfather became very happy that every child has replied and has given one use of trees. Then he also started telling more about trees and their use. Okay, he told them about how trees help us, trees keep the air clean and fresh, what is photosynthesis, and he also told them that soil prevents soil erosion, and without trees there would have been no life on earth, and it is our duty to save trees because trees are our best friends and no life is possible without trees. On hearing this, all the children become very serious. Okay. Now moving on to page number 27, and let's read. Children, what should we do to save the trees? Grandpa, we must protect trees. We must teach people about the importance of trees. We must try our best to grow more trees. We should save trees by not cutting them. So then children they become very serious on hearing that without trees no life is possible, and then children asked grandpa that what are the ways in which they can save the trees. Grandpa then told children that they must protect trees. How can they protect trees? By not cutting them. Okay, and they should try to plant more trees, and they should teach people, educate people about the importance of trees, how trees are important for the existence of life on earth, and what are the ways in which trees are helping us. So these all things grandpa told the children. The Chipko movement was started by Sundarlal Bahuguna to save trees in Garhwal. When trees fellers came to chop trees, people tightly clasped the trees with their arms, making it impossible for them to cut the trees. So here grandpa give the example of Chipko movement. Okay, so you can see in the picture that these ladies are holding this tree very tightly. Okay, and this Chipko movement was started by Sundarlal Bahuguna. Why she started this Chipko movement? So that she can save trees from the woodcutters, and it was started in Garhwal. When tree fellers means who cut the trees, they came to chop trees. Chop means to cut down. Okay, to cut down the trees. When the tree feller came, people tightly clasped the tree with their arms, making it impossible for them to cut. What is the meaning of clasped? Clasped means grasp something tightly with one hand. Grasp means to hold. Okay, so to hold tightly something with one's hand. So you can see here this woman is tightly holding this tree with her hands. Okay, so she is holding this. Why she is holding this? So that the tree feller can't cut the trees, because everyone is holding the tree with their arms, so it become impossible for the tree fellers to cut the trees. Study further. Government has started the Van Mahotsav program, which means planting of trees. We should not waste the products obtained from trees. This will result in less trees being cut down. So, in order to save trees, government has started a Van Mahotsav program. In Van Mahotsav, what we do? We plant trees. Van Mahotsav means planting of trees. In this, we plant trees. Okay, and we should not waste the product obtained from trees. For example, trees provide us with paper. Okay, so we should not waste paper, because if we waste the paper, then it is a product that we get from trees, and if we waste paper, this will result in cutting down of trees. Okay, so if we save paper and use it properly and we recycle the paper, okay, then trees will be saved. All the children thanked Grandpa and promised him that they would treat trees as their true friends. They promised to plant more and more trees. Meanwhile, it stopped raining. They happily rushed out to play in the garden. So, on hearing the use of trees and how trees are important, how it helps to keep the air clean and fresh, and it prevents soil erosion, and it is important for the existence of life on earth, and so by this, all these things Grandpa told the children. So for that, children thanked Grandpa and promised him that they would treat trees as their true friends. Okay, and they also promised that they will plant more and more trees. Meanwhile, it stopped raining outside and they happily rushed out, means they went outside, they ran outside to play in the garden. So here is one more word, Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav is an annual tree planting. तो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, यहाँ पे सभी बच्चों ने ग्रैंडपा का थैंक यू बोला कि उन्होंने इतने सारे यूज़ बताए और बताया कि ट्रीज़ हमारे बेस्ट फ्रेंड कैसे हैं, ठीक है। और उन्होंने कहा कि आज से हम भी ट्रीट करेंगे, यानी कि ऐसे रखेंगे ट्रीज़ को कि हमारे ट्रू फ्रेंड्स की तरह, सच्चे दोस्त की तरह हम उनको ट्रीट करेंगे, ठीक है। और उन्होंने ये भी प्रॉमिस किया कि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पेड़ लगाएंगे, पौधे लगाएंगे, ठीक है। और उतने में, मीनवाइल का मतलब उतने में बारिश रुक गई और वो बाहर खुशी बाहर की तरफ भागे खेलने के लिए गार्डन में। ओके, यहाँ पे दो वर्ड है। सबसे पहला वर्ड है क्लैस्प्ड। ग्रास्प समथिंग टाइटली विथ वन हैंड, वंस हैंड, यानी कि अपने हाथों से किसी चीज़ को टाइटली पकड़ लेना, जैसे आप यहाँ देख सकते हो टाइटली कैसे पकड़ा हुआ है, ठीक है। उसके बाद है वन महोत्सव। वन महोत्सव का मतलब एन एनुअल ट्री प्लांटिंग, यानी कि हर साल हम पौधे लगाते हैं, उसके लिए जो हम प्रोग्राम होता है उसको वन महोत्सव का प्रोग्राम कहते हैं, ठीक है। सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस चैप्टर एंड टुडेज क्लास। प्लीज रीड दिस चैप्टर at least 2 times. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.